So good day guys. So today I'm here with Miss
Rich Maureen.
So what's up guys, this is Alfie Buka from College of Marine Engineering, and for today's video we're gonna find some senior high school student and ask about human communication. So without further ado, let's do this. So good day guys. So today I'm here with Miss
Rich Maureen.
and today I'm gonna ask questions about human communication. So for the first question, in your own understanding, what is language?
For me, language is a process of words that is used by a particular community or culture.
Okay, so for the second question, is language and dialect the same?
No, because language is a system, while dialect is its variation.
So for the last question, what is the difference between language and communication?
Language is the system of words, while communication is the process of exchanging information through various means.
Okay, thank you Miss for your